Welcome. If you've been using Telegram on your PC and want to make your chats feel more lively and interactive, you're going to love this quick update. Telegram has added message effects and smoother animations, and enabling them only takes a few seconds. Let me walk you through exactly how to turn these features on. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top left corner of the app. You'll see three horizontal lines, sometimes called the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Inside Settings, find and select the section called Battery and Animations. This is where Telegram keeps all the options related to visual effects and performance. Now you'll see an option labeled Animation in Chats. Go ahead and turn that on. This enables smoother transitions and animated elements while you're messaging. Right below that, you should see effects in messages. Toggle this option on as well. Once enabled, you'll start noticing fun visual effects when sending certain messages, reactions, or emojis.